Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do this simple werewolf makeup look. And now I'm taking two water paints, black and white, mixing them together and applying on one side of my forehead. By the way, I must tell you that this tutorial is unfortunately not finished because I had some serious camera issues, monitor issues, and this is very sad, but happily I could film the fur part, if this is how you pronounce this word, because this is the part that people asked me to film. And now I'm going to define the outer line of this gray part on my forehead, and I'm going to blend the edges inwards so that we will get a sort of contouring. As you can see, the closer to the edges, the darker the color will be. And now I'm taking a long pointy brush and starting to draw the hair. Now I'm starting from the outer part where the hair is going to be darker and it's actually black. And as I'm getting closer to my eye, the color is going to be lighter gray, then lighter gray, and then finally white. Now I'm doing an effect like the skin is cracked, and for that I need a shadowing and highlighting, and I'm making the outer edge of my skin white. And then I'm gonna make some brown shadow, which will help the skin look more cracked. And the wolf's fur is going to break through it. Now I'm going back to the little hairs. At first I make them black, and the closer to the eye, the lighter it will be. I'm also mixing the lighter and the darker shades to make it seem more realistic. And now I'm doing that shadowing, which will help me to get the effect of cracked skin. Now I'm doing the highlighting part and adding more white color and blending out the edges. And now it's time for the nose. This is a simple black nose, nothing complicated. Now I'm doing another wolf part using the same technique. If you want to see more ideas for Halloween makeup looks, then I invite you to follow me on Instagram. It's going to appear here on the screen. And of course, if you want to see more tutorials on my makeup looks, then please subscribe to this channel. It's going to be more active, I promise you. And now we're getting to the last point, to the last part of this video, unfortunately, because this wasn't the end of the tutorial, and that is the scar, the wolf scratch that I have on my chest. I made it from liquid latex and a tissue paper, and of course some water paints, but as I said, unfortunately this is going to be a different tutorial, so if you would like to see it, don't forget to subscribe. Here you can see a little part of this. Here I'm gluing some liquid latex, and this is the tissue paper. Well, you will not see it until the end. I'm sorry for that. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and see you later.